down the street, they might jump into the screen. I'm not going to do that. I don't have an interview. Holds pretty good. Obstacle detection's activated. It goes back up.
What's up, guys? I've escaped the cold and touched down in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Safety glasses, check. Earpieces, check.
Folks, this isn't just a warehouse. It's where raw aluminum is transformed into the strongest outdoor living technology on the market.
Right now, we have facilities.
It starts here. Thousands of pounds of aircraft-grade aluminum. They process every inch in-house, utilizing precision cutting and CNC machining to ensure every motorized system fits perfectly, down to the millimeter. But the frame is only half the story. Over in the fabric wing, our partner SunPro automates laser cutters and high-frequency welding to create seams that don't just hold together, they bond at a molecular level. From final assembly to their dedicated shipping fleet, they control every step of the way.
At the SunPro headquarters to give you a behind-the-scenes look at where the magic happened.
Precision engineering, American manufacturing. Now you see why Made in the Shade only works with the best manufacturers in the industry. Call us today to learn more.